learning about the $100 bill.
I want to be rich!
Say he will give me it back. This dude is ugly.
Oh, wait. My name is Bob Snoochland. His name is too, but he's ugly. I'm pretty.
$100 bill stands for dude is a loser.
100 means rich! Oh, give me that pill!
B02719762A stands for dummy doo-doo head is a loser. This means that he's dumb. This means in toys we trust. That's dumb. Because it says in toys when it's really supposed to say in God we trust. So this means it's not legal tender. That stands for you cannot use it! So, what I was saying. This guy is ugly. This is not cool either. Oh, aren't you a little pumpkin? My beautiful face! Oh, here's 6 of the 7 norms. Doodle squishin', dime, doo-doo, head, Robert, and Paul. But where's the 7th? Oh, no, that's just got picking his nose. Where could the 7th be? Only if I had a beard. Or am I dumb? Oh, there's the dude picking his nose. I guess the dumb dude is picking him up. Let's see if he's a Dumbledore. Oh, here it says, made in China. Disney. Oh, I guess he is just a dude picking his nose. Guess I'll never know where the 7th is. Hello? Hello?
I'm in the bathroom here!
Hello? Hello?
Get this thing away!
I'm gonna study this pen. Huh? Sharp? Pointy? Broken? This is the world's best masterpiece. It should be in the world's famous book. It should be better than Picasso's. Look, it's a big, happy family. Okay, I guess we're out of ideas. This is the end of the Charlie and Caden show.
No, Caden and Charlie!
No!